Hello aspirants, welcome to Law Excellence IAS Academy. Today in this video we will discuss about the burning issue, that is the farmers protest in Punjab. The why farmers are protesting in Punjab, and also the head of the Sanyukta Kisan Morcha, Jagjit Singh Dollewal took fast unto death. Why? What are the major reasons? And what are the major demands of these farmers to go for the protests and also the fast unto death? Before this, discussing the reasons or the demands of the farmers, we will discuss the fast unto death. Means, what is fast unto death? Fast unto death is a tool, one of the major tool under Satyagraha. Means Satyagraha is a broader concept, is a protest, means broader concept of protest. It consists various tools. One among them is fast unto death, where an individual or group of individuals can go for fast unto death to meet their demand. Means any individual have set of criteria, means set of demands. To meet that demands, to achieve that particular goal, they took fast unto death, one of the tools under Satyagraha. The Jagjit Singh Dollewal is the leader of Sanyukta Kisan Morcha, is also took fast unto death to achieve some of the demands, means the farmers' goals. But what are the demands of the farmers? The protest of the farmers is ongoing issue. The farmers are protesting since 2021. Over a period of time, they come up with many demands. What are those demands? Initially, in 2021, the farmers were protesting against 3 farm laws. Subsequently, central government withdrawn those laws. But recently, the farmers still are still protesting. Why? Because they have major demands. What are the demands of the farmers? One is the main demand is they are seeking the legal, statutory status for MSP, legalizing the MSP. This is the first demand of the farmers. What is the second demand? Second demand of the farmers is they are demanding justice for the people who died in the Lakhimpur Keri violence. They are demanding the justice for those Lakhimpur violence. And third demand of the farmers is the pension for agriculture, means farmers as well as agriculture laborers. They are not demanding pension for agriculturalists not only, they are also demanding pension for agriculture laborers as well. And the fourth demand of the farmers is that the reinstatement of Land Acquisition Act of 2013. There was a land acquisition 2013. This act was withdrawn by the government. So farmers are demanding for the reinstatement of this particular act. And what are the other major demands of the farmers? This includes complete debt waiving. Means the farmers has some of the debts, agricultural loans. These agricultural loans should be waived by the central government. This is the major demand of the farmers. And also, farmers demanding 200 days of guarantee work. 200 of guarantee work under MG Narega. Presently, MG Narega provides only 100 days of work. Means any individual has a right to demand 100 days of guaranteed work. Manual means unskilled manual work under Manrega, but farmers are demanding 200 days of work. And also farmers are demanding, penalizing, or central government should punish, penalize who markets or sells or produce the fake seeds in the market. Fake seeds. This is also major demand. And other demand is that the farmers are demanding the central government to withdraw from the WTO. Why? WTO restricts the central government in terms of providing subsidies to the farmers. So in order to have a more subsidies to the farmers, the government has to withdraw from the WTO. Though farmers are demanding the government of India to withdraw from the WTO. And ninth demand of the farmers is that they are also demanding the central government to suspend the free trade agreements with the other countries. Means government of India has free trade agreements with other countries, for example UAE, Australia, some of the countries. Like, so farmers are also demanding central government to suspend free trade agreements those countries. Because why? Majorly whenever free trade agreements happens with any other country, the cheap products from those countries will come into India, especially agricultural products, for example dairy products. These kind of products will harm the interest of the domestic agriculturals. So because of this, the farmers are also demanding the government of India to suspend the free trade agreements with the other countries. And other major demand of the farmers is that they are also demanding the central government to not to implement the national policy framework for agricultural marketing. This is the policy framework existing in India in terms of agricultural marketing. So farmers are demanding the central government to suspend this, means this policy should not be implemented all over India. These are the major demands of the farmers demanding central government to come up with these ideas. Means farmers are convincing central government to meet these demands. But what central government have said with respect to this? There are majorly 4 parties. One is farmers, second one is Supreme Court, third one is Punjab government, and fourth one is central government. So farmers listed some of the demands. Supreme Court means instructed the Punjab government. It said that please provide medical aid to the Dollewala. Means the fast unto death taken by Dollewala is his condition is become worsened. So in this condition, Supreme Court instructed Punjab government that Punjab government should provide medical aid to the particular individual. And also Supreme Court instructed central government. Means it asked central government why central government is not considering the genuine demands of the farmers. Means central government should be open to the talks, and also its door should be open to the genuine demands of the farmers. But Punjab government also said that Dollewala is not taking any medical aid unless and until central government is in talk with him. Means Punjab government is forwarding their responsibility to the central government. Means Dollewala is not taking any medical aid. Means he is not considering any medical aid from the Punjab government unless and until central government has negotiation with him. So, but what central government is saying? Central government hasn't initiated any fresh negotiation with the farmers or Dollewala. But central government had said that central government would consider any recommendations, any decisions if taken by the Supreme Court with respect to fast unto death protest by the Tollewala. Means central government will consider the decisions taken by the Supreme Court in this particular case. Here we already see that the farmers are means protesters also made Bandh, means they also called for Punjab Bandh, means there was a Punjab Bandh in recent past. Because of this, we should look the difference between Bandh, strike, protest and also Hartal. But in Indian Constitution, protest is fundamental right under Article 19(1). There is a concept of freedom of speech. Under freedom of speech, the protest is fundamental right. Strike is not a fundamental right under Constitution, but strike is a legal right. Means it is a statutory right provided under Industrial Dispute Act. But Hartal is nowhere mentioned, but it is not a fundamental right as well. But it's a Hartal is legal, but Bandh is not a legal. Bandh is not legal. It is not a constitutional as well. It's not constitutional. It's not legal as well. But what is the difference between protest and Hartal? Protest is a public disapproval of actions or any policies of the government or any organization. But strike is just a refusal to work. Hence, it is made legal right under Industrial Dispute Act. But Hartal is also Bandh. Like Bandh. But major difference between Hartal and Bandh is that Hartal is a voluntary. Voluntary means any group of individuals can stop the working or means close their shops. They can go for demanding the justice. But Bandh is voluntary people who have closed their shops or any organization are also coercively means they are also forcing other people to closing the shops or any working. So this is not a constitutional or it is not a legal. So hope you understand the current issue of farmer protests in Punjab and also major difference between strike, protest, Hartal and Bandh. So thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos.